Guys, Saving with Shay, I am here for my Walmart weekend haul for you guys. Now, my weekend, I only need 8 rebates for $3, you guys, which is not a lot. However, I do need, how many to finish off our larger bonus? I think for that one, I need like 11 or 12. So the goal for today is to knock out the 12 that we need, and we'll get back a total of $13 in bonuses, which is awesome, right? But if you're new here and it's your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely make sure you subscribe. Also make sure you smash like button. Support your girl. What did I want to say really quick? I know that more people are getting the extra offers on Swagbucks. It's either Swagbucks or Tada. I have it on my Tada. And basically with that, what you want to do, and I got this tip from Danielle. She mentioned it in one of her videos. And what you want to do is you don't want to activate the offer on Shop. If you are still able to stack with Shopmium, you don't want to activate the offer there until you've already submitted the receipt on either it's Swagbucks or Tada. Otherwise, it'll pop off of Shopmium. So that's a tip as far as that. I haven't had that issue because I haven't been using Shopmium, so I have been able to submit on Tada and on Alexa. Now with Tada, the offers that are like coupons.com, like Shopmium, those like type rebates, those automatically go into review, and they can take some time. Tada is usually fast. I feel like they do get back to me sooner than when I have to put tickets in on Swagbucks or My Points. My Points takes the longest, even though like literally it's the same little bot. It's the same little bot that does all of them. Like the other day, was yesterday, I got all of my tickets done, and it was like the same person. I want to say the person's name was Reggie or something like that, but it was the same person for My Points, Swagbucks, and Tada. And so big shout out to Reggie. He's getting it done. Oh, you guys like my t-shirt? Look, it says don't be salty. This is my Temu t-shirt. I think it was like $4 or $5. It was in my last Temu haul video. But without further ado, we're gonna head in this store. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab this weekend. So if you want to see what your girl got, keep on watching. So this first deal is on some oatmeal. I believe it's pronounced YoShi. I got this deal from Cynthia at Keep Calm Couponing. It's a free aisles offer. They're priced at $2.79. I picked up the mango because I love me some mango, and it's a free aisles offer. So you text them, they send you a link, you send the receipt, and then it goes to either your Venmo or your PayPal. Next, it was on the Weathers Originals. It's on the Harvest ones. The seasonal ones is on the seasonal aisle. They have barely anything left, but enough for me. So for this deal, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. I'm probably gonna grab 4 though, but you can grab 2 of them. You'll end up paying $7.92. Now we do have $1 off 2 coupons right here. I'll probably use it though because I don't think the offer on Ibotta excludes a coupon, so I'll use that. But if you don't have the coupon, you'll pay the $7.92 out of pocket. You'll get back $1 for each on Ibotta. There's also 99 cents for each on Checkout 51. There is $2.50 for buying 2 on Tada. And then last but not least, it is on Shopmium Alexa. I have it on Tada as well. It basically brings these down to 22 cents each. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and grab 4 and use 2 coupons. So this is the day of barely enough. Like they barely have enough for your girl, but they have enough for your girl. So this deal I got from Miss Empty Nester. She posted this deal on her last Walmart video, and it's on the Purina Beneful. These are on rollback for $1.34. So you want to grab a total of 2 of them. You'll end up paying $2.68, but then you're gonna get back $1.25 on Alexa or Tada or Shopmium if you can still use that. And then we're also gonna get back 75 cents for each on Ibotta. It makes them both free plus a 7-cent moneymaker. I'm gonna go ahead and just grab 4, where you end up paying $5.36. You'll get back $3 on Ibotta, and you'll get back $2.75 on Alexa, so it'll make it a 39-cent moneymaker. So this next deal is another deal I got from Cynthia at Keep Calm Couponing. It's on the Prime Bites brownies. They are priced at $9.98. They look so freaking good right now. So you're gonna grab one. You'll be submitting that for an IOS offer, making that absolutely free. All right, so this next deal, y'all, I was so excited when I saw this California scent deal pop up on was it Checkout 51? But I rarely ever have seen them over here. Like, it's always empty. They're priced at $2.12. So for this, you want to go ahead and grab 2 of them. You end up paying $4.24, but then getting back $1.50 on Checkout 51. And then there's also $3 on Swagbucks, My Points, and Bucks Are to Da, making them both free plus a 26-cent moneymaker. All right, this next deal is on the Curad adhesive adherent wrap. They only have one left. This is the day of almost nothing, but just enough, right? Yes, these are locked up in a case. They're $1.97, so we're gonna grab one because yes, that's all that they have. I'm getting back 650 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.60, making this a 63-cent moneymaker. Alright guys, so this next deal is on the You Buy Kotex. I actually had another offer pop up yesterday and wanted to see if any would double attach with the one that's already there. And so I scanned this one here. It's the 18 count for $4.19. That one does work for 2 different offers on Ibotta for $1.50 each. So it would make that only $1.19. Right, so my next deal is on the Always Discreet. I've been doing this deal, you guys, nonstop. I'm almost out of coupons, actually. So they are priced at $5.67. The only one that I've actually scanned on Shopkick is the 30 count and the 44 count. And so you're going to grab one of them. You'll be using a $3 coupon right here from our inserts. You'll end up paying, what is that, $2.67. And then you're going to get back, the kicks actually went up, so you're going to get back 850 kicks on Shopkick, which is equivalent to $3.40, making it a 73-cent moneymaker. All right, this is nothing new, y'all. It's nothing new. It's on the Degree Spray. I've been smashing this deal too. I've been grabbing this one right here, the Vanilla and Jasmine, priced at $5.78. I just scanned the mint one, and that one works as well. So you're grabbing one using this $2 coupon right here. Tear pad I found at CVS, which you're being told down to you paying $3.78, and then you get back 850 kicks on Shopkick, which is equivalent to $3.40, making that 38 cents. Now you might still have offers for the Degree. I've already maxed mine out, but that one would be free and a small money maker. Also, keep your eyes peeled for some hang tags. These here are $2 off, and they don't expire till December, which is really cool. So definitely it's a good idea to grab some. All right, so my next deal is on the Caress. It's priced at $5.37 for the body wash, which is on rollback. And then the bars are priced at $5.17 for the 4 count. So for this deal, you want to go ahead and grab one of each. Your total is going to come to $10.54. You'll be getting back $1 for each on Ibotta. And then there's also $3 on Tada, as well as Elixir of buying 2, bringing these down to only $1.27 each. So this next deal is on the Dove bars. I always grab this when I can because it's the only soap that Joseph uses. So whenever I can stock them up, I will. So I scanned this on Shopkick for this offer here, and it actually worked. I'm getting back 450 kicks, which is $1.80. And the limit is 2 per receipt. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some on some different transactions to submit, making them only 8 cents per bar, which is awesome because literally he was just out and had to grab this right here for $10, and we about to get it 8 cents per bar, y'all, and it's the same size bar. It's the same thing for a fraction of the price. So yeah, I'm about to stock them up again. Go over the deal on the Vaseline, but I noticed they have a couple scents down here that are actually on clearance. I scanned the tag so I can show you what they look like, but this one right here is a deep moisture one. It's right here, and it is $174. And this one was the eczema one. It's normally $613, and it's $472, and that one looks like that. They're both tubes that I noticed. But yeah, so if you can find those on clearance, especially this one right here, it would make, because that's a 9 ounce, it would make for a really awesome awesome moneymaker. But we're going to be grabbing, I actually think I'm going to grab the men's this time around. They're priced at $3.98. You're going to go ahead and grab 2 of them. I'm going to submit on Tada for $4 back for buying 2. And then there's also $4 back for buying 2 on Alexa as well, making them both free plus like a 4-cent moneymaker. So I'm going to go ahead and just grab that as well. Alright, so this next deal we're going to do again, I did this last, in my last haul. It's on the Earth Clean Beauty line. I don't know why I always find the hardest time finding this stuff, but it's like literally right by, sandwiched between the Suave and the VO5. So these are priced at $2.98 on rollback. For this, you want to go ahead and grab 1 of them. You're getting back $2 on Tada, and then you're going to get back 80 cents on checkout 51. So it makes it only 18 cents. I went ahead and maxed it out and grabbed 4. So I'm going to do this deal here on the True Skin. I'm gonna grab the cheapest one, which is this one right here. It's priced at $14.68, but I can't remember who posted this deal. But I believe I did see it either on YouTube or Instagram. And so anyways, we're gonna grab this one right here, priced at $14.68. Getting back $6 on Ibotta. There's also $6 on Shopkick as well as Tada and Alexa as well. I'm gonna bring this down to free plus a $3.32 moneymaker. Alright guys, since CoverGirl keeps resetting, your girl's gonna keep on doing it. Now, I was here yesterday. They didn't have any of the pencils that I can price match for $228 or $226, which is $500, and I forget the other one, but I know for sure $500 is like $228, I wanna say. And to price match, you just go up front. I usually do it in self-checkout or with a regular register, or even sometimes customer service. They scan it with their device, verify the online price, and then they price match that. Now, all stores don't price match, and some stores won't let you stack a price match with the coupon. But I've been pretty lucky doing that. And so what I grabbed yesterday was the one I mentioned in my last video. It's the it was this one right here, the Shimmering Sands, which is online for $2.85, getting back 2 on Ibotta makes it 85 cents. So I figured stacking that with the foundation down here that we're price matching for $3.51, right? Using the $3 coupon. We just got some more coupons. I picked mine up yesterday, and so you end up paying 51 cents. You get back 3 on Ibotta. It makes it a really awesome moneymaker, and that is helping to pay for the eyeshadows down there. So it makes it a really great deal. And of course, if you don't want to worry about price matching, you can always grab one of these up here. They're priced at $6.38. I think is the cheapest one I see. Use this coupon. You'll pay $3.38. Getting back 3 on Ibotta will make it 38 cents, which is still not bad. And of course, you have more options, more choices. Checking my little tiny itty bitty section right here, and I found this Neutrogena Acne. It's a stubborn texture on clearance for $3.74. Getting back 2 on Ibotta, plus I think $3 on Alexa. Makes this a nice money maker. A different story, y'all. I'm checking the clearance section over here, and I see they have Sally Hansen. They have these priced at $4.04, and for that we have $1 back on Shopkick, or Alexa, or Tada, or Swagbucks, and then we also have $3 on Ibotta as well, making it only 4 cents. Now I'm probably going to go ahead and just max it out on Ibotta, grab 3, and then submit on Tada and Alexa as well, making this a really awesome deal. I also have this one right here, which is $2.86, and there is $2 back on Ibotta. No offers on the other apps, but they would make that 86 cents. I was trying to see if I could find one that was a little bit cheaper than that, but that's still not a bad deal for nail polish, especially for Sally Hansen. Here, they're on clearance for $3.50. Normally $7 for the Tresemes down here, the Pure Fusion Infusion ones. We have rebates on Shopkick, Alexa, Tada, Swagbucks for $4 back when you buy 2. So you grab 2, pay $7, and then get back 8, making them both free plus $1 moneymaker. All right, guys. So here is my complete haul for you guys for today. Everything worked out pretty good. The only thing I didn't mention in the video was the little critters. So a couple people posted on Instagram that it was glitching with the offer on Tada, so I went ahead and grabbed 4 of these at $5.98. Submitted my receipt on Tada, and of course it went into review. Now I was trying to hold off on submitting it on Ibotta because I was like, if it doesn't go through on Tada, I don't want there to be an issue when it comes to returning it unless I return it without the receipt, which it depends on which store you go to. Some stores won't allow you to return products like this without a receipt. And so, but the only thing is, it's on Ibotta, but it's on my list. It's not in my gallery anymore. So I didn't know how long it was going to last on there. And I didn't want it to go through on Tada, and then I can't submit on Ibotta because it's no longer there. So I went ahead and just submitted on there. The other issue was with the Sally Hansen. I had to scan the items for this. It didn't pick it up. And then it didn't go through, and I had to do it again. So this is my second time trying to get that to go through for the $3. It does scan. So I might have to put a ticket in for that. So a couple offers on Shopkick popped off while I was out today, being the Dove and the Curad. So I put a ticket in on one of my receipts for the Dove, the other receipt for the other two. I'm going to just keep them because we use those anyways. And then the other one was for the Curad. I have two of those I have to take back. I still have offers on Shopkick for the Always as well as the Degree. I should have gotten a Degree more, but I'm trying to hold on to some of my TerraPad coupons in hopes that I can get a better deal at, or a good deal at CVS, basically. Other than that, you guys, what else? I did do CVS today. That's because I had 4 off 20s on 3 cards. I had the digitals that are glitching, y'all know. And I wanted to stock up on kids toothpaste for Josiah, so I was able to get the Crest Kids and the Burt's Bees. And not just that, but lately CVS has been sending me not Threshold CRTs, but they've been sending me purchase extra care bucks. So $2 off purchase I got last week. This week I got $4. So I had $6 on one card and I think I did the Burt's Bees and the Crest, and I only paid like $2 and got back 10 just because I used those. So it was pretty awesome. So definitely make sure that you are, they have your email addresses for your card or whatever. Because they've been sending out some coupons, and they come in handy, right? And so everything here for Walmart retails $208.22. I had $24 in coupons. It brought the out-of-pocket down to $184.22. And then we walk away with $79 from Ibotta. Shopkick was $33.20. Again, I'm waiting for a ticket for the Dove, so that's 900 kicks. Alexa was $28.75. Checkout 51 is $7.16. Tada was $50.75. Everything is in review on Tada. True Skin, Neutrogena, Beneful, what else? Little Critters, Caress, Sally, the Vaseline, and Tresemme, all in review, okay? So $50.75 back. From there, aisles for the brownies, which look so good, and the oatmeal is $12.77, and I did get that back already in my Venmo. So we get back a total of $211.63. It makes it all free plus a $27.41 moneymaker, you guys, which is amazing. Now the tax was $17.18, so even after tax, you know, we make a little bit of money, right? Which is awesome. Now as far as CVS, my CVS was retail $65.55, and for that I had $49 in coupons, CRTs, and digitals. It brought my out-of-pocket down to $16.55, and then I walk away with $30 in extra care bucks. So that was a $13.45 moneymaker. And if I combine the two, basically it makes this a $40.86 moneymaker, which is awesome. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button and hit the door. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.